Hi guys, I'm Simon and I'm a coder in the coding class. So in this script, I made a timer model which has a 60 seconds. Are just here are just like the terms for the code, and this effect term will be enabled after the timer runs out. So the timer, this is the timer value. It's set to 60, and the and this value will go down by 1 every time a second passes. The message is timer screen. And while timer value is more than 0, the timer will -1 every time the wait time passes, and the message will turn to time left from time set with the timer value. Once the timer reaches lower than 20 seconds, then the text code will turn to yellow, indicating that the timer is about to run out. And once it reaches to red, and after that timer runs out, the the message will say time's up, and the effect will enable. So here's how the code works. The timer started right now, and after about 40 seconds, this text will turn yellow. Just 10 more seconds left. Now the text is yellow. After 10 more seconds, the text will turn red. Now the text has turned red, and when this timer runs out, the sparkles will activate and the text will display another message. So that's the timer script I created. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.